This is Seth with Skybird Roofing. We're here today at 215 Youngsville, North Carolina, or 215 Beaver Ridge, Youngsville, North Carolina. We're here today to do a repair ability test. I want to show you the damaged shingle. I want to show you then the top two rows. When we're doing this repair test, we will be using our roof snake. What we're going to be looking for is when we are finished with the repair, if we have creasing and granule loss on the top two rows here, that'll give us what we need to know that this roof is non-repairable without causing continual damage. First thing first, we're gonna set up this tripod here and get us prepared. Alrighty. Alright. Come on. Let's get this right here. Just a little bit more. Alrighty. First things first, I'm going to show you guys the angle that we're going to go to today. It's going to be 45 degrees. And our 45 degrees is going to be right there. Alright? Let's go ahead and get started. That done. Put this one in. Slide a new one in here. Alright. And right there. That's good. Alright. can already see some of these granules coming up and off here. One good, one good wash and rain. So look as creases our wind damage we started with, man. This one. All right. And as you can see, repair is done. We do have granules and creasing beginning on both the first row above and then even this one on the second row. Like I was saying, with one good rain, we will have creasing throughout. And this just tells us that this roof is unrepairable without further or causing continual damage. Thank you. Have a blessed day.